Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thank you a lot for watching and tuning in, as they say. And thank you for subscribing. I saw a couple new ones out there. I do appreciate that. Trying to get to 500. That's kind of the YouTube goal. Anyway, good things happen at 500. So anyway, today we're going to make a drink called the Manhattan. I'm going to use the 1870 version of it. So it's going to be put into a very small glass. It's only 1.5 ounces. The idea is this has been chilled in the freezer, and you don't want the drink to go hot. So in the old days, they made them pretty small. Calls for one Rittenhouse rye. This is bonded, 100 proof. A lot of ways to make this drink. I'm going to show you hopefully the old way back there. And Cinzano Rosso, red. This was established back in the 1757, I believe. 1/2. And 2 drops of absinthe. I'm going to use the Lucid brand, very high proof. A couple drops. And 2 dashes of orange bitters, orange. And 2 dashes or about 3 drops of gum syrup. This is from Lieber, gum syrup. All right, I'm going to stir that up. It comes in at 38% ABV, so stir this until it's thoroughly chilled. We strain that out to our glass. And there you have it. You can add a cherry, Luxardo cherry, if you like, which I'll put in the picture. I recommend you do that. Some people don't like the cherry, but it adds just that little bit of sweetness. So I'm going to put it in the recipe, and I'm going to put it in the picture. So I recommend you drop a cherry in the bottom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.